So this is a Flux deployment pipeline. We do this. We decided to implement this pipeline because we had some problems before, as mentioned in the Mahara page, where some functionality doesn't work in the cloud, but it works locally. And in this kind of things, we have to, when we decide to do a debug test, we needed to deploy everything manually for every test, for every code change. And this caused us to have delays in development. So that's why we decided to create this pipeline, because with this pipeline, every time we want to make a change in the deployment, in the version that is deployed in the cloud, we just push to the deploy branch. We commit here, and then a process will automatically starts here, which deploy this code into the cloud. So this is the YAML file that handles the deployment. So we can see it activates when a code is pushed to the deploy branch. And to make this YAML file works, first of all, I had to create a GitHub secrets variable so that GitHub have access to the keys and other things needed for connection to the EC2 instance. So here we can see in GitHub secrets I have the key, the host, and the user. So basically what this YAML file do is it installs all the necessary dependencies, and then it terminates existing Flux Web Service related services, and then deploy the new branch, the new code that is pushed in a container. I feel like this is better rather than incrementing the container in the cloud, because from here we don't have to worry about how the existing deployed version in the cloud interact with the new pushed code, so that every time we have a problem, we know that the problem comes from the code we push. And that's all for the deployment pipeline.